Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you the super nice outdoor bistro table that I really like. Not only because it's super heavy, and that also translates into quality because this is kind of like a steel, I want to say like a metal and steel powder coated table, which it's kind of like resemblance to stone, I want to say, to something super heavy. But on the other hand, this one is extremely easy to assemble. The frame comes in just two pieces, and it took me, I think, I'm not exaggerating, I think it took me like 5 minutes, no more than that. It is super easy to assemble. And as you can see, it's also super firm and stable because it's a really heavy table. So I like that. In fact, let's take a closer look. So as I was telling you before, the one thing that I really like is the design on this. It kind of like resembles the old school tables. This is, of course, as I was telling you before, it's kind of like a new construction. It's a new technique as well as like metal powder coated. But also I like the fact that looks like, for example, like a chessboard. It's not a chessboard, of course, but it looks just like it. And all this kind of like shapes right here makes it to be stylish, I want to say, in compare with kind of like, and pair, not compare, pair with this type of chairs right here. Kind of like it is a bistro scene I really like. The frame is also super firm and stable, makes it to be super heavy as well. So I like that, in fact, because you don't have to worry about if it is like a windy day or something like that. It will be kind of like knocking over this thing because again, this thing is super heavy. It won't be knocked out. And talking about the size, this thing is 30 by 25 by 25, so it's a 25 diameter by 30 inches tall. And I really like it because it's good enough for two people. I want to say like having tea, having lunch or brunch or something like that, or a quick dinner right here at night. With this table, it can be done with two people. That's why we have two chairs right here, because we really enjoy this with my wife, just sitting by the pool and just like talking, like a conversational space. I really like this one. Super easy to assemble, 30 inches by 25 by 25, and of course super heavy, firm and stable, and extremely easy to assemble. Again, I like it. I give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.